6:50 a.m. on a Tuesday. Bathed in birdsong. The moment I wake, turn the dial to
엄마, 이거
the
영어
right
찾기
place. This is my morning. Tennessee way. My dog is ready to be walking. A pot of coffee